I'm live, Malavir Eddie here at the edoga Open Workshops topic. Continue with this series where I left off previously, 20-ish minutes or so ago. Let's switch right to this screen. Yay! No, maybe this one is more efficient screen. Different tune, same show. Only thing that's left for me is to jump into the YouTube's dashboard and grab the live dashboard that just created by the Restream.io itself. There I go. So I've on the VODs, I've updated from the previous show from 20 minutes ago. I've updated the titles, so they are now released right away as a standalone show with a reference. I just quickly checked my real-time playback to make sure everything is in order, but on the YouTube I need to manually switch the category to people blogs, and the language is World English. It's not the United States or the British. And okay, pause the playback on kick, set pause the bolt, take the load off the CPU, working CPU, this one here. Hey, hi, guess what, I'm back. My mic's not mute, okay. That's why I manually toggle mute. Just putting things in order. Well, and for anybody who's just here first time, take a look down on the bottom line to get the idea how to track the show. I use the show notes showing in that scroller text over there. And I'll do one thing now. I'll right away make them available also on in the web page from the text that's shown in the video, so I can work with them. So 20 minutes ago I've been talking about theory because I had to get my mind and my thought process, workflow process, to figure out what's happening on the very large displays, because I don't have that type of display. And I was looking like, oh, I want to utilize the whole screen real estate, and never looking what's going on the higher level when the display resolution is really high. So it's best to set up some restrictions on content, and I've just figured it out while I was making coffee. Hey Maeve 488, how you doing? Great to have you here. You can catch up with what's going on checking out these text scrolling show notes. They're from the previous episode, and I'll actually live now do one workflow demonstration how to get them also on a website, because I want to create a relation between the content from videos and into written form on the website. So that is the challenge at the moment. At the moment on this website, that's available, link in the channel profile. The website. Oh, so it's this open workshops. That's the this format of my streams at the moment. This is just a draft, while actual draft of these posts are on the streaming computer, which is not the same one. And I'll just grab show notes. Also, I'll try to I want to improve my workflow and presentation. At the end of the video, I suggest everybody to because my format of streams is long, but at the end of the video, last minute, it's possible to see what's been going on, all the progress from at the end, show notes and side-by-side comparison, if available, what's been going on, where did I begin, and at the end, if there is something to show off at the end. So at this moment, these notes for this episode go in the section from previous. I just paste over this, I do the save, and in the website on the bottom of the page, I add this. Yes, heading is the how much content in one screen row, let's say. That was the theory: ergonomics, displays, and sizes, resolutions, medias, print format, display, screen sizes, viewing distance. That's the challenge. Because I was thinking about working on making my here on this screen, I'm drafting a home page, landing page, make it more efficient. And I figure out that whichever screen size is, with whatever resolution is, there is to have it for the efficiency aspect, 3 elements per row maximum, whether it's columns, small widgets, portlets, whatever. More than that is just creating confusion, whether it's unintentionally or intentionally. But it's best to lock and center on the screen's center. If the content is allowed to, on each page load, move its anchor starting point, if the starting point for the content is not at the same spot, then it's creating chaos. That's not good user experience, user interface. In today's standards, what we expect from the online content, especially text, that's a takeaway from last episode. Like in example, this website that is also referring to a challenge about font sizes and the screen sizes. I found it yesterday, because this site is now I'm showing it here in the with developers tools in like a emulator responsive mode. When it's shown on a 4K widescreen Ultra HD television, let's say, and it's still, this page is, so this is the tab representing 4K, and only difference that we can see, only cue we get is the bottom and left scroller, and this is the scroller in the center that actually tells me that the content main column, main website content is centered, while on the next tab, previous tab, I've got that same web page in on my in a normal browser, not responsive mode, and it looks the same. It's centered and no scrollers except vertical for the usual top to bottom, left to right flow of content text. And how do I apply that? But first, sorting out these show notes. So for the sake of convenience and the is it honesty or the proof of work, or I need to clear up, move away a few of these windows, just too many of them. This is the 4K, I don't need that, just too big. I'll switch to mobile first, tiniest screen, tiny, Nokia 8110. Make it work on small and build upwards. This is the active front page. This is the drafting and show notes, posts, pages, test page. I don't need this. Well, show notes. Yeah, this is, I need to reload this. Loading. Very tight bandwidth over here now, so this is not published. This is just available on the backend on the website, and the published version is this mock-up but public of open workshops. So now, going away from the layout design aspect of website, I need to work out the kind of structure, hierarchy, semantics for the content, this specific content, let's say these workshops, open workshops. And I deal there with different topics, and at the moment current topic is web design, and I'm thinking how to create references meaningful from the, for example, publicly available episodes of this content from YouTube, and put those videos into context on the website and make it efficient, since my navigation of website is not giving off any cues Where is it? And I would like to have some clue here on the landing page. What's current, and even perhaps real time happening right now, like where's the live stream? How to fit that in a web page. Now, no, I'm not exactly asking for some, I don't know, new inventions. It's just I'm not asking for suggestions. It's not that I'm not open, but it's too abstract to just collectively brainstorm it right now. I'm challenged with this from each episode, from one to next one. And I didn't put it together efficiently. There are some already existing articles on a website that are not in any video form, just a type of how-tos. And this content is actually real-time, but it's not elaborate text, like not a proper learning material, just the notes, topics, list of topics. I don't have time at the moment to do the proper transcript from my shows. That's why they exist in the first place. So how to do this efficiently? One of the things it would be good to start doing is using in YouTube and on Twitch the markers. So YouTube has, for example, video highlights, maybe even put on the magnifier, create highlight or a marker, stream marker. I didn't try one or the other yet. Well, who's preventing me do that right now? Create highlight video. I kind of figure out what that means, but this is more straightforward. Unable to add stream marker, but the notification on the bottom said stream marker added, available after. So I'm guessing that's the like a timestamp chaptering, creating chapters in the traditional video, the usual video, like video episodes that we get on some more elaborate video productions on YouTube, and whenever the timestamps are supported, like chapters on Odyssey, YouTube, and Twitch, I think also. So if I try similar thing on Twitch, and here now on YouTube, I'll also try highlight video, create title, public, create a highlight. Highlight is this used happened. That's the title, yeah. He highlighted first time ever. Public description, well, probably I can just copy this and put that in description. And create. I'll see later in the video editor of this stream and on Twitch. Odyssey doesn't have these tools, but on Twitch, if I, let's say, a stream marker, stream together, stream info, clip that, manage goals, stream marker, added at that point, no clues, just add it at that point. So later I'll have in the dashboard on Twitch, I'll have that marker without any semantic reference in the sense of the text or description, whatever. That is like a way how to do it, create a reference in timeline of the video with some verb label, text label somewhere. YouTube provides linking, creating to create a link, allows creating a link specifically in the video timeline and linking that. So that's one aspect, but I'm not. This is just the first time I've just tried that workflow, tried that tool, tested it. So trial by fire, doing stuff live, real time. Learn and go. So does this render all my previous efforts compiling show notes? No, it doesn't render them useless. They still make a point. So before I break my spirit, brainstorming how to do this that I'm failing to figure out. So Justin, are you then hanging out here or hanging out with mom? Well, being productive and creative, getting myself in that state, nothing can't beat that. But that can be also dancing to a music, good beats, or making a dinner with mom. Thinking loud here, and thinking that now at the moment I don't need this. This is at the moment the topic of my interest, the subject of my interest. Focus. This open workshops like a category for this type of stuff in a written form. And when I refresh this page, it will show actually in this embed from YouTube, from Odyssey, it will show that it's actually available live now. And for the proof, I'll click play on it as soon as it loads. Come on, come on, come on. Don't keep me hanging here. So this is the simplest way how I actually signal reveal on the web page itself that I'm live actually. So it's live. Here's the proof. Here's the see. Hello me. Hello. I don't need to use any special API to put this together. Just embed the use the code from Odyssey that says here's the latest live show available. But this page is just kind of a home page for this type of content, open workshops. So I'm creating like creating a category for my channel for type of content. So maybe what I'm trying to say is that now I'll edit this page, go in edit, and say here open workshops are open. Okay, got that. And okay, so WordPress allows me to show data, the posts dynamically, like in this example. This content will be updated as the articles get published, like this, for just plainly put it out there, latest posts. It doesn't say posts, but it's a blog, so latest article post, status update, whatever. My masters are came to that point in their life when I burn them when I'm lighting up my cigarette. So that means beard trimming, mustache trimming imminent. And it is possible to filter, grab the specific category list of posts. So that implies that if I create a category open workshops, here in the dashboard backend I can create a category and check the list at the moment right now. Do I have open workshops category? No, there are how-tos. I can play that game right now. I can jump on that game and say but it's a bit more complex than that. Can I put that in a written form just to sort that out? So open workshops, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is show notes. Okay, so show notes, show notes. There's the show notes, and this is I'll create a group here. Group, yes please, group. And in this group I will group put some sort of heading, like types and categories of interest. My. Of course, this is my living canvas. It's conversation, in fact, like with myself. What I'm telling me is, I'll use this also styling just to get the visual cue about the content block. No. Show notes go out. You go out, show notes, not inside. You do not reside in this block, so at least, so what I can say, it's at least so far. Something like this. I'm just typing as I go. Save this draft. What is this? Okay, I can. Okay, so this is a published page, so I cannot. It will be auto saved, but not published. There are like, but there's a versioning of this page running in background, auto saving. But it doesn't go live until I publish it. And this can go like a like quotes. So properly formatted is, where do I get the reference from? If I try to get this from Bolt right now, my computer will get real slow. And if I try open YouTube, so I need like format video episode title, and or parse manually the text from different 2-3 different I get here right here the titles. So how to phrase this? One thing I'm thinking is to, okay, I want to plot out the structure, the hierarchy, categories. So it's experimental. Live streaming. Live streaming, okay, experimental. Like then there is this Linux software. That's one thing. Software. Then do it yourself. Electronics and repairs. OPS. Open broadcast software. Plugins, tests, and live demonstrations. Yeah. Am I getting a structure out of here? No, I don't think so. Well, at least I'm building a list, but using the proper format for lists would be like this. Get at the beginning of this, enter new line, li shorthand for list, and just delete, pull the rows like that, and then if I hit the enter here, I'll get the new list. So is this a structure? This is a bit of getting more structure over here. Okay. Is it web design? Web design, web design, but it's I think better topic like WordPress. WordPress live development. Live development. No, I'm not developing WordPress. Using WordPress. Well, okay, live. Using WordPress for website development. Yes. Web design. Building a website. Put it more clearly. Well, now I can even hit here the update and view the page. 40 minutes in the stream. That's good, 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 good. Getting efficient sooner. I try to, because I'm not on my own completely clear how to praise. I'm not a professional, so it's not like I'm inclined to that or this branch of industry. I'm not just the IT. It's too wide. I do specific stuff, but they don't directly fall in single category like general. That's why I coined the term WEB&TechSmart. That's like everything and nothing. So for this type of content, I might, for these show notes for each episode, I might start doing the short posts, really tiny posts. It's a pink cat, yeah, pinking cat. Mr. Cat, you show me disrespect coming to my daughter's wedding, complaining about the family. Maybe if you offer a token of appreciation, I might consider. What you say now? What am I doing now? Like the evil genius. My. Did you have a, Justin, did you have at your place the cartoon Hanna-Barbera, the Knights of Orient, with those four, I don't know, characters with whatever, and the donkey, they have Azazoon. Zazoon, eh? When you pull the tail, it starts kicking around. There was one episode with their antagonist, some sort of like knight wearing armor guy. They had to grab the. They had to grab the jewels from him, and they grabbed them while he was sleeping. And there was a scene, he's sleeping, hugging the chest with jewels like here, and they just took it under his head, and he's in sleep. They gently stroking the chest with jewels and dreaming, "Jewels, my jewels." And when they took it away, he like gets knocked out of dream and, "Jewels, my jewels!" Like nothing to stroke. It's empty air. It's air. Those things require proper voice acting when the voice is localized. Translation for kids cartoons. We had luck for in that terms, in that aspect for some of the shows. Some shows just failed miserably in translation, voice acting. but with I think it could be that probably everybody's claiming the same for their own country, region, language. I just don't get the English version of SpongeBob, while the Croatian version is. I think the whole world should hear how the SpongeBob works in Croatian. At that time, when it was just coming out, the first season of SpongeBob, I was kind of young and very nervous, frowning on everything new, and it took quite a while until I settled upon few seasons later. And then under some circumstances, I got faced with SpongeBob, and I said, okay, let's see. It was just that time of day, maybe early in the morning before work. I put on the TV, just flicked around channels, and there's SpongeBob. I said, okay, play. I have to do this on the side. And it was the episode when they were playing the Treasure Island, something like that. And their boss, Mr. Crab, like telling them, and Patrick and Bob were like hooked on a game and like playing the matches of Treasure Island on the desktop map, on tabletop map. And Mr. Crab caught them like slacking. What are you doing? You're not working. You need to go to work. Go to the kitchen. And they say, oh, we're playing this game. It's very, very interesting. You find a treasure. And he's like, oh, but there's an opportunity. Treasure. Show me. And that's where the also Flying Dutchman at the end shows up. But the point is that Mr. Crab like took it for real. Like, okay, it's a real map. But they are idiots. They think it's a game, but it's an actual map that takes them to the treasure Farley Hill. Mr. Crab will get rich. He's not interested in running a business. He wants that the end goal, treasure. And he drags them along. That was my intro into SpongeBob, and I was like, wow! And the voice acting in our language was just awesome, proper way. Because for me, especially, I'm a guy from the sea coastline, so they are the oceanic characters. So of course, we understand each other. Yeah. Money. Show me the monies. Show me the money. Maybe work. Substitution, money, but it's actually work. Then you create a value. So, proof of stake, proof of work. There's the dilemma. Proof of work, proof of stake. Which creates value? Stake can provide, could be considered provider, enabler, but that stake should incentivize work, provide work, efficient work environment. That's the concept of proof of stake. That's the value it could create. But this is not today, not today, not that type of show. So this page should be a placeholder that will dynamically list the notes compiled for each episode. Cool. There are two ways I can do this. There is no problem to manually update text. It's the same like creating a new post. Carbon, green salad, coal or wood for warming winter time. No, there's a challenge over there. What's that? War against carbon. What are we trying to choke the vegetation? Vegetation needs carbon. Hey, do we want everybody to breathe oxygen? To like, who are these plants? Why are they breathing? Get on our in our gain. We are the oxygen guys. You breathing carbon. Vegetables. What's the game there? We're gonna choke you off that carbon. You run a greenhouse, right? You have the facility. Little green room, huh? You know what they like? More nitrogen, right? Is it nitrogen? I'm looking forward to the day when I clear up the clutter in my... Yeah, but for the fertilizer it's the nitrogen compounds. Yeah. And breathe in a lot of carbon dioxide. What's the natural in nature environment circumstances when those nutritious ingredients and those nutritious elements, potassium, how is naturally synthesized? Those gas and metallic molecules that fall into ground and form those elusive fertilizing elements, nutritious elements, especially the nitrogen ones, compounds. They get synthesized during lightning strikes. The gases in air get synthesized into molecules that then turn out heavier and go in the ground on the surface level, the ground levels. I was really surprised on that. That's what I get from watching National Geographic and Discovery Channel. Find out really fringe facts of living on the Earth, planet Earth. How to stop smoking while streaming live. episode 1,000,001, 1,000,002. There's a real gentleman. Not touching that cup. I'm not touching that cup. I just sip it from the. There's some cat-like graciousness in his gesture over there in that GIF. Maybe he should have just licked it like a feline, like a large cat just. Okay, people, we're onto something here, onto something, nearing 1 hour in the stream. Well, the incline angle is on the like a terminal incline over the angle, just about to. Maybe they use maybe they run to the censorship monitoring the live show, and sure. But I'm coming to the term. Because I'm actually, what I need to do is, in this block of text, I'm pulling out of my head the subjects, topics, and to form a structure categorized structure, because that's what I want to use to filter out the micro posts for each of the episode. And I was saying it's okay to edit manually content for page or a post, and just add new text on the top, so it's ordered like newest first, order new to old from top to bottom, and it's okay to do that, and maybe put manually a link through that list, like title and then link inside the page anchor. That's manual work that can be cut short with actually creating a post. And WordPress for each post creates a link with text in that link with a show title, and that like really speeds up the workflow. That's why I'm more inclined to doing it that way, like micro blogging, posting show notes for each show, because I kind of figure out each time right after the show, I update like this specific title, dedicated title for each one of the sessions. That's why I do it like this. And then I would get a type of this list, like latest in the section, and coming from a category open workshops. Let's say I do that, and I get back to the categories and create new category like open workshops. And it's not works. Oh yeah, it's workshops. Cool. Yeah, thank you. No. Maybe how-tos. How-tos? No, not at the moment. Not necessary. Yeah. No cut. Open workshops. Slug. I'll get it dynamically. So open workshops. Open workshops is a description something like this. Like a quote myself in the description field. In the description field, right there. Go right there. I love it when I leave the mic on mute and I rant for a half minute, like blah 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 blah, and I see just gray on the audio track in the mixer. Opener, cool opener. Thank you. Thank you for pointing my excellent spelling over here. Opener, opener, yeah, N. Open. Thank you. Thank you myself. And now I need to here comes that moment in the day when the electricity is cheaper till morning, and I put on my heater on, central heater on. That was simple. A simple task. Pages, live, show notes, test live, okay, show notes, what are you talking about? Oh, okay, so this is a draft. This is just a draft. It's a post. Cool. This is good. This is good. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Was this so I'm having a struggle for a week to type in a new category, open workshops, because I already have a few articles on the website, like this one. This was actually created during a live show. And I was doing it during live show. And this one I can right away edit the post. Running a live production on the Dalmatian, Middle Adriatic, East Coast internet conditions on an old computer. Here we go. Cool. It's not English. It is open workshops and category also me, Malvira, and maybe how-tos. 3 categories. Wow. And look at the tags, tag producer seat. Yeah, tag producer seat and everything happening in there. Okay. Okay, I don't need this. And update. And what happened next? Right in this page, I hit update and reload the editor. Meanwhile, I can reload this live. So I've got that section coming up here. Live canvas, and now when I've done that, okay, load now. Okay, now, so show notes. I hit enter here, so it's a show notes, right? This section below, ignore. Spacer. I use the spacer. Push it out of my site. New block. Block says, I say block is latest post widget. Latest posts widget. Latest post, but on the right here I say op and workshops. I got the shorthand for it, latest posts, and that's the stuff. Title, content, excerpt. What you say now? Update, and I just go along like this. Close this, open workshops, and I can close even this, and just add a new post. Let's say I add a post that I have a show note of. I title you the post title. You're knighted but titled. No land. Maybe a meta land. How to and I say live steady. Live streaming could be a category, maybe a category, maybe just live tag or category. What's the deal with tags? What is the deal with tags and categories on a WordPress? Here's the deal. If I grab one, okay, I've done that. I updated. So if I grab a, let's say, homepage post feed, like a blog page, the active page. So well, I got this is the specialized. This is a just the thing. Sitemap, latest posts, archive, categories. Categories fine, okay. I've been to the public library, but the tags. There is a trick with a live streaming, live session. Well, there is ambiguity and saying the same thing twice, and it's possible just to edit it. But if I click the tag, I got the list of what articles are tagged, internally run, maintained by the WordPress. And I, let's say, want to say, sure, what is this tag live session? What's a gaming game? How Dragon Fuzzy Electric Dragon, what's that? What's that? It's the, okay, that's the videos. That's a bunch of stuff. Oh, I need to redo this post, but at the end I've got, oh, it's a category promo. What's in the promotions category? I ignore now the tags. And when I click the promo, I get the dump of posts in the category section. That's how that works. Similar what I'm doing actually here, just grabbing from database a list like I'm gonna get here a list, specialized list showing show notes from live streaming, the posts related to. So what I'm about to do is just cut, paste and post, add new post. I already created a new post, add new post, it's right here. I can kill the promo. No, stay on page. I'm too fast. And here, from top to bottom, and here from top to bottom, create these posts and post them individually. Like I said, it's possible to work manually, but the WordPress, if I use the post format, I'll get the links automatically, maintained relations between text blocks by WordPress. And in the end, I would do that manually. Just extended the time required to do that workflow would be slowed down production. So you were visiting just in the show at one point when I was pulling out the GPU to install the M2 SSD. That was a good laugh over there, right there. And I just, let's say, I just take this title like it is big old title. That went perfect. I've got that on the record. I managed to find the clip, GPU slot clip, catch, hatch, latch, disconnected all drives. There are hard drives that have Windows installed. I want to prevent auto detection from the install of other operating systems. So I just created a dedicated boot on single drive, so I can select manually boot in BIOS. So if I take any of the drives out, each drive has its own operating system, and I just select manually from the boot app, from the nodes, which drive is which operating system. And everything went perfect. I've tried Linux from live USB to see if it will work with the hardware. Went fine. Then installed the drive, boot again, installation from the same USB, and figured out in that session how to partition that for Linux install and leave the rest of the drive for NTFS. After that, I've connected, when I installed, partitioned and installed Linux, connected the other drives before that were on, and checked is there any glitches. Is the Microsoft Windows boot complaining? select manually in BIOS. Okay, boot from the Windows installation drive. Got into Windows, updated the Homeworld and Steam, no, Epic Games launcher, and run, and then play the classic Homeworld 2, not from the remastered collection from last August, that was for free on the Epic Games store. And then that was the end. I just, after those couple hours, that was all I had. So I copied this block of words where I'm saying too many things at once, and this will be that. So there is just one trick, timeline, time dates when posting. If I just start now copy paste, I need to figure out how to properly timestamp these posts to get them in order. And it's possible to manually change like the publish immediately, like the dates. There's like a forensics, spoofing the forensics of the posts, the publish date. But I don't want to. I want to prevent having to deal with that at the moment. So I will reduce the amount of these windows I have showing here. Close even these developer tools. Thank you. Add new post I've got here. Okay, so I'll close this thing and stop right here. Well, I'll take also the text for it. It's a paragraph and a list on the side there. Okay, copy and paste here. Simple as that. But I'll save a draft because I want to keep the chronology, the actual factual chronology of the posts. And I've got that right here in the dashboard. Actually, the posts in the dashboard, I've got all the posts listed and I can sort them out, filter them, and so on and so on. And I can filter the lists by categories, all dates, and I can just hit here a date because I want to invert latest first and go through this, not the drafts, but show published, because there are few posts from there. Published date, change order, cool. Yeah, change order, so I can edit these, even like this quick edit, and update here what I want to say. It is the it's not the how-to, let's say, but I can figure out, is it a how-to if I let's say maybe do take a look at the post, or even have a search like bold plus. I know there isn't title. I sure did hit that enter. Okay, so it's this one. is there anything, is there any how to value here? No, it's just showing off, just like I said, showing off the feathers. No. So if I go in the categories and I just say here AMA and promo, it's a promo, and here I can add the tag I want and say live streaming, yes, thank you, and I update it just like that. Okay, that's it. Maybe I go back. Go back. Play for the ceremony, open workshop, gameplays, live streaming experience, tapping. Wait. Oh, okay, this is the search results. It shows the posts and the pages. Okay, I got it. I don't have the excerpt for this page. That's why Open Workshop has this big text for the excerpt. What was next in the line here? Making of. Can I view that? Well, let's view it. Let's say view it. Close this. And if I view that page, what's the nature? What's the statement, mission statement here? Oh, this is true and true how-to stuff. Look at this. OBS plugin, mono to stereo. Well, it's not OBS plugin, it's audio utility for Windows. And encoders, bandwidth, resolutions, the links to articles, resources, YouTube recommendations, and NVIDIA, NVMe encoder settings recommended, Twitch guidelines from last year. Now there are new. Well, let's see what's in this article. Is this URL relevant? Are there new updated Twitch help portal saying 404 for ingest? Okay, so here is the RTMP data for to stream. Guidelines, internet speed, bit rate of bits. Max video, full. Is there still a cap on? Do they still have a cap on bandwidth? 1080 6 megabits. Any reference to new stuff? List of prohibited. What can I do? Two-factor. Okay, let's say studio beta. What's the not? Okay, that link is not broken. I'm happy. So this is true and true. Making of. This is true and true. How to? I will kill localization and English section. It's this dude. It's how to, kind of how to. What I want to do is I want to avoid trap creating just the open shop to be related to live content or video. I want to also be a useful category all over the site. I do an update here. So if I go top to bottom, first, last, there goes a lot of galleries, making it even more show me even more. Okay, some is it how to, or it's just to do? Did you do this to do? Is there a how to do? I need a web page, man. I need a web page. Support tips, donation, wish list, contact form, need a web page. So I've done this. This is like a maybe an update. Is this an update? Announcement? Is this announcement? There, I don't see anything how to do here. But it is a reference to how I was doing something, or that I was doing something. Make it dedicated. This is more like announcement type of update. But I did put it together with the during the live. I did create it during live, but it doesn't show even how. It's Malawi ready. Okay, so it's Malawi ready, and it's the update. Yeah, it's the update. It's not a promo. It's not new. And live session work vlog, making of cool, what's the complaint here? What making of, is that it? Separate making of. Yes, sheesh. Okay, so I update. No, wrong. Lying. I didn't update. I hit escape and it closed this section. So it's me and it's update. Yeah, I was working on this. I will deprecate. I will kill the live session tag and have it like a live streaming. Just so it is easier to grab that from the tags catalog. Is this still? I refresh this list, and now if I have a look at this page, if I take a look at it, this section is now being updated. This session is getting the updates. Why is this good? This is good because of search engine optimization. If I create a page or a dedicated page on website, that gets best from the aspect of my website, that gets the best SEO score on the website all over. If I just create posts, search engine spiders and crawlers don't follow deep down the timeline of posts that are not referenced on the front page. The web crawlers, spiders for the search engine indexing, they just read these links they find on the first page and what they found in the internet cache all over the web. But this changes each time I publish something. This content changes. But with dedicated web page, they will also go in the navigation section links 1-2 levels deep and sniff over there, index that content. and they will stumble upon also these terms, these phrases, these and index that content. I've done that way in recent years, and this way embedding that content in the page makes site more efficient, and from the search engine optimization side, and also for just finding my way around, like when using the sitemap. As the content grows, as the content, there's more and more content, it's easier to find my way around. Is it something a how-to? Because some how-tos don't have the actual video episodes. I just type in what I have on top of my head, how I do something that I didn't record. While at the moment, Open Workshops category works like at the moment, dedicated. I want to build that term, create a relation from my website and for my content online that I've tagged already Open Workshops. I think if you anywhere in the world type in Open Workshops on a couple of first few pages, somewhere there in the results will show some of my videos. I think that YouTube, as long as it detects some potential, it pushes out to the search engines also that type of content. It seems that stuff updated, published on YouTube, you can like get the fastest search engine performance in a matter of 24 hours, if not faster. I monitor my website and content performance on Bing and all other, well, at least two more search engine pages, startpage.com, DuckDuckGo, Google, but even that the Google is very poor now as a search engine. It's more like a spell checker. If it's not a resource you're looking on the web, if it has any commercial value, you'll get that search first and then show you the exact match to the term I've searched somewhere, who knows where, if ever. So actually when I want to find exactly what I want on the internet, I definitely don't use Google. I'm not here for checking spelling errors. I want, see, you read this phrase, Google, what I'm looking for, I want that content. I'm certain about my spelling, even if it's -D, E performance score, but I want that web page with that term in it. I guess we all know that joke. Some white people stole my car, and Google says, "Did you mean some black people stole your car?" You know that? That's the... You know that joke, huh? That's from 10 years ago. You type in the search, in the Google search, and his... and that search results are like it. You sure you know what you're talking about? You know what? Google, stop with that. Okay, stop with that. Yeah, it was the sheriff who stole my car. The county sheriff stole my car. That dude. So, And we had in Croatia localized version of that glitch, Google glitch, when there was a football world championship, I think also, so qualifications few years back, before that, just before that, and the Croatian representation was playing a determining match whether they qualify or no, and of course the media posts publishing was like posts covering the qualification road for Croatia representations. Well, Croatia going to World Cup, and Google search suggestions on the search were like Croatia not going to World Cup. That was like a what's this? 10 years ago, that was like a weird machine. What's this machine telling me? Croatia not going to World Cup. On the topic here, so going through these, yeah, this is, so I've been through that, this is fixed, categories good, and then quite a bit of galleries. Right over there, gallery, even more galleries. Next. Why I use website? I've just told you, man. I've just told you why I use a website. But it's not English. It's not English. It's not a how-to. It's why though. Sometimes I regret when I don't publish or keep a note like this from my anyway, I created on a previous website edoga's planning, like just a rent, my short format rents, 2 words, 3 words, 2 sentences, cryptic memes that can be mimified. Maybe I should grab those notes and just feed it to the generative AI. Show me. Here's the verbiage. Now show me. And create a collection on the LimeWire, let's say, and just say edoga's planning with AI assistant. Show me. Why though? There's some value right there. This post doesn't need to be sticky, it can be mine, it's not the... Is it how to? No, so it's why though? And also, since the... I notice here, since the release of the full site block themes for WordPress, it's available also in this dashboard to, in a quick edit mode, change the template, actually the rendering, the layout, the design of the pages and posts. Update this. Let's go next. Why I use website, why though? Pro. Quick edit here. Okay, everything is English, so stop with that. And it's, well, okay, bold palm out of here. Okay, so bold plus without any what's the proper term for bold plus platform? Bold plus TV. What's the trending tag? Bold plus sign TV or bold plus word TV. Real-time video, smart TV, social. Okay, I like it. So it's a promo. I'll put it in category Marley Veer. Why I choose the category? Because I just hate seeing uncategorized, and that's the posts. WordPress doesn't tolerate uncategorized posts. Any clues, anybody? Okay, no clues. Live stream experience so far. Okay, I know English, I know. I like this beat. I was on a rave party. It was a bad weather during the acid last night, but the morning, the sunrise turned up very nice. We all got twisted from the acid on the party, raving all night. And this is not open workshops, and it's not a how-to. Cool, got it. So it's like it's an update. Yeah, thank you. Sleep tight, Justin. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know on some occasion. Let me know whether it's the something. What can I improve? Let's say like that. Are there really dull moments that are a turn off from the show, or you could hang around like a side content? It does take me about an hour in every day to get the wheels spinning. Gears start producing steam, because I'm a steam engine. Justin. Knock, Justin, are you asleep? Are you asleep yet? Huh? Are you awake? Sleep tight, have a good regenerative rest down there. Way down there at the opposite top of the old world. Maybe if I get myself some other types of Atlas world maps and switch around the poles on maps, maybe that will freshen up my view in life on the world, because I'm getting tired of this Euro Northern Hemisphere aspect of angle of viewing the world. That would be a refresher, refreshing the, like, living up at my middle age crisis, change up things. So I'll read the world maps upside down. I'm tired of this European centric view. I'll start reading maps, world maps upside down. Maybe if I don't need to travel, I'll read the maps under the right different angle. So that was an update, and gameplays. Okay, so gameplays don't have a dedicated category, and it's gaming. It's gaming, but it's a, let's say it's a Sovjet gaming. Yeah, and I say 9, 10, 2, 10, 2. And I'll create a category for this, because on the sitemap I don't have the gaming stuff. So show notes of the show are requiring a bit. Okay. Chatting with Rebecca and traveling and my 488 but so show notes what I've been working on about around. Okay, yes. Open workshops, refresh. Is this true? Just two shows? No, come on, not 2 shows. Delete cache. Give me, just 2. No way, just 2. Ah, now you reload. Okay, now you reload and show me 1, 2. Just 2 done so far. Okay, I'll see what I can do. So I'm okay. What I'm doing is looking in my coffee cup, see how much time there's left for this session. And it's not chatting, it is chatting. Okay, that's that, but actually I'm doing this. I'm created dedicated category, open workshop created dedicated category for open workshops, content to create a and build a references well, I know who will tell me. This guy will tell. Come on, search references. References, okay, it's references, it's not the references. To create and build a references to videos. So it's a category and a web page. Category for content. Category and content to create a build references to in open workshop website page. Okay, website page. Yeah. So I've done it, and then copy paste notes, draft notice. So I'm copying draft and copy pasting drafts notes, note drafts, notes draft notes, draft into separate blog posts. Yeah. Into separate blog posts. So copy pasting no drafts into separate blog posts. Into separate blog post, into separate blog posts under open workshops set. Okay, full word, don't be cheap. Set a category. Come on. Show notes. Notes. I don't know. Yeah, well, yeah. There's at least a written document about what's going on. and I'm actually using the backend, using the backend, and that is this right here. Where are we here? So I'm using this backend, using the WordPress quick edit. WordPress quick edit on Batsk end and backend dashboard posts using WordPress quick edit on the backend dashboard to edit dash update old posts. That's the deal here. As simple or straightforward or obvious it seems, it's something that that's not obvious, straightforward, that it requires some background knowledge about WordPress. Now here with this statement, whoever is interested in the WordPress can now knows, oh, you can do that in WordPress. Yeah, I can go back and even do a quick edit on the metas of the posts previously published using the dashboard quick edit to switch around categories, update tags and so on. I can't edit the content of the post in the quick edit, at least these bits. I was looking around at the dashboard, streaming dashboard, what I see from wow. I'm just seeing also a notification from the YouTube dashboard that highlight, it's just uploaded. I'm notified by YouTube that the highlighted is uploaded to the. So is that how the highlights work? What was the other thing? Marker. I've marked a bit in the video. And okay. And what I'm seeing from the stats on the YouTube dashboard. Average view duration. I got one view, and that one viewer was able to consume about a minute of my content. That's actually most than usual. Usually it's just seconds. Now it's even minutes. Average view duration on my content is making some progress. So I about a minute tolerable, like tolerance for this. Switch back to bench of work. About here, you go about here like this, okay. So I'm still in the process of updating these manually. Better management. So this is a how-to, and it's a my type of stuff. Nintendo Switch, micro SD, storage, game console. Is that all? Okay. What do I get here? Report, quick edit, report. Open workshop promo on categorize. Okay, that's situation report, sitrep. Okay, it's alright. This replaces so report for Q on his. Okay, just like that. Then I've got this. This is not a video. This is not a video, but it's category me. It is me. Update, but I didn't mention it in a video. But at least now I can have another way to filter out, sort out. List, create a dynamic list, show the list of the recent posts in that category. So how-tos that are not related to the videos, they can And I forgot last time one thing, and now I'll do the update on my ways to support page. I need this. I can just kill this report now. I have this in clipboard, and this in this post, a list of referrals. I need to list this Restream.io link right here in the post. Right here. Ready. You go down. I go here, and this is a heading, and it's a restaurant. Mind your own business. Paste this like that, and this is H3 heading. Play along H3 heading. Grab no images, nothing, no, nothing over there. Open new table. Okay, so that's it. No tagline or something. Is that true? Is that the fact? Don't show me the. I'm checking the bitrate, frame rate, keyframe, analytics, fair, live, fair, statistics, standard, plan. Is there home? Is there a front page for the Restream IO that I can just maybe grab a tagline for the login about? Is there an about, pricing, events, customers, jobs, terms of use, help center, login, pricing, events, customers, jobs, blog? Do they have go to Restream? Okay, go to Restream, but in the but like this. I grab this because people need to know this stuff. Okay, I can close this and put it right here. Maybe is there an image? Do they have an image? So it's a like quote. Come on, not gonna do that. Say quote, and not a heading, not the heading. It's a paragraph like this. And in the paragraph, I just grab this bit of text like this, copy, and say also this paragraph go in the quote like that, and citation like this. Well, thank you for notice. You've got that into my attention over there. Do I just update? Do I grab some visuals, graphics for this? Restream IO. Yes, no, not at that point. No. Keep going with this. Updated. Wow. Hey, what you doing? Okay, I'm talking to my shared hosting provider. Why is it slow response? The server side that I'm saving. What's next? So, where was I? So far it seems just an all over general update. The workflow that I'm getting used to is using the large show notes, scrolling text vertically, In center top is the topics for each session, and on the bottom general stuff. General stuff, and I had a okay, I meant to say in the bottom show notes permanent that this is multi-streamed. So update down there this line. That this stream is simulcasted to bolt plus TV ODC Twitch the Kick and YouTube. That's the deal here. That's the deal with this. Save. There we go. Cool. Very, very practical. And to continue with this is report for quarter. That was a report. Visual aids, how to's. Okay. Meanwhile, what is this? Quick editing. This is. It's a promo by Malvir. Update. Is this the last page? Yes. So okay, and this is this. This little thing is a promo or a announcement. No, it's not just promo. It's just promo. How to localization. No, Malvir. No. Okay. Cancel. Gotcha. Did I left out anything? So if I check on the sitemap, hit F5. What's going on? What? So I got 4 how-tos and 2 workshops. Okay. So from the show notes list, I may have created this post, which is nasty big post. Expand the internal storage and multi-OS, multi-boot operating system setup. So I'll cut this title here. Well, I said it, but that didn't happen. So cut and paste this here like is this subheading? Subheading of the subheading of the subheading. But still too big. Maybe 5, like this. So this is that post, and I have even have already made ready-made. I have even ready-made how to okay, how to English promo uncut update. So live streaming. Hardware, Linux, Pop, OS, yeah, upgrade. Upgrade like that. And the values and good things on give good. So what's the spelling for this suggestion for this? What's PC? Capital. The capital PC. I got new two. Well. No, don't. So I can phrase this like this. Cut this and like this, and maybe this, and then like this, one space in between. Cool. So I can say that at the end, like here, like this, and maybe find, do I have a feature image? So I'll grab myself a feature image and I'll upload the file for that manually. Here it is. Drag, drop. Thank you. That's a featured image JPEG. Not bad, not bad. Alt text. This is like a I cannot say everything in one image, but here we go. Hardware, streaming, partitioning, tuning, HD, partitioning, SSD partitioning, SSD partitioning. Partitioning SSD partition, partitioning SSD partitioning, partition SSD partition. Can I run a partition on SSD? SSD partitioning SSD. No. Just like this for now. And I press publish. Yes, publish please. And I can now add a new post. And have this F5, this F5, this like that. F5 that, and so okay, so here is the link. Cool, gotcha. Here's the link and that's so these are the show notes for that. That's very nice. And if I hit here F5, there it is, and it's in the correct timeline order. Good, that's good. And I can remove this from show notes, from the draft, this draft type of stuff. Be gone. Like that. Delete. Save draft. And then the next episode was this, what's in the desktop. Cool, like it. I like it a lot. So the title was this. And here are the notes of show, open world, behind scene content, blah blah, script. Okay, so this is the content. Just paste it like this. Use case, I got you. OBS snap store. OBS, okay. From snap overview. What's the version? Version 30 is this version 3.0 like that? Version 3.0, version 3.0. Basic view of apps. And demo my use case, multi-layer, blah 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 to the preview. Okay, blah 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 blah. Snap. Not going to make this too complicating. Author is this guy. Me, him, promo, update. It's the Linux. It's a demo. It's Ubuntu. Okay, gotcha. So, Linux desktop, yes. Ubuntu Studio, yeah. Well, version, yeah, okay, version 20.04 is that the fact, yes. Like this, anything else, demo, oh, yeah. Teleport, underscore OBS, well, OBS plugin, oh, teleport, oh, teleport, teleport, tagging. Okay. OBS teleport. Okay, OBS plugins and OBS teleport, but teleport plugin. Teleport OBS plugin. WordPress is a bit challenged with too many of overview, basic overview. WordPress has an issue with too many tags later on of reinstalled apps. Dash snap store. Yeah, it's the snap store. If I'm not wrong, if I'm wrong, I'll correct myself sometime in the future. Do I have these? Do I have that? Do I have that episode? To the embedding tuning. I don't have that image right now. I have it somewhere. It is somewhere large. Where Where should that be? Where would I find it? Found it. Where is it? Actually, from recently I've got my live stream screenshots from the live shows properly collected in the almost all. Making of 3, that's not it, but kind of looks like that, but I don't want to cheat. I want the exact one, because I already grabbed it. And it's not this one. Is this one? No. Oh, no. No, it's not that one, and it's not that one, it's not, and it's even, where is it? What? Extra large, show me. Layout, control, design, blocks, website planning. Put this here. Captures, nothing in the captures. Live stream. Gaming, this is gaming, and this plays large icons. Linux desktop. Please, where be you? I know where I can grab it if I really need it, if it's not here available. I'll use one that I'll use something create block team plugins compatible. Wait. What's this? Well, embed mobile download compatibility. Showcase. No. Omar. Lives. Capture. Live intro. Okay, this can go here. And I know what one thing that it's good that I already have here, one thumbnail that fits the purpose. It is it had this in it. Where are you? Where be you? Here it is. It looks like this, making of and set feature image. It looked like this. It look like this. I'm speaking while mute. I need to jump away for a moment, like it's 2 hours in and I didn't stretch my legs. F5, have a preview. So more topics listing here for the show notes, and each of them refer to each post separate. So here's this one. Like that. So what I can do is actually I can put a link at least to YouTube or Odyssey to this, because you can look at it right away without registration. But I can say, okay, permanent storage for videos, VODs, for now is YouTube in order, Odyssey and Bolt Plus. Kick deletes the files, Twitch deletes the files, and those 5 are where I'm streaming. So I can put for each of these. So each of these posts actually promotes again my Bolt channel, YouTube channel, and Odyssey. That's I don't know, everything covered in a single stroke with each of these posts. That's the idea. And I need to stretch my feet for a moment. Enjoy the music. Maybe consider what kind of person you are, and if you're not feeling generous right now with all these revelations when you're listening to these beats. Hey, hi, how are you doing? Is that guy Mallory ready here? I need to remind you to share, like, subscribe for free to this content. And even more, if you like what you're seeing, maybe jump on my website, check out more ways to support, contribute, donate, maybe. Or maybe use some of the referral links over there for some services I've used and tested so far and turned out good. Well, back on topic. So one thing that I mentioned just before I left off is that each of these Now each of these posts on the website can have a link directly to a video, and that would be a self-promotion and also doing favor for each of those platforms, having the link backs to the specific content over there. Twitch and Kick excluded, because they don't keep videos indefinitely over there. Twitch, Kick. I just love doing this way. Each time, each day. First hour of the stream, boring, and then a few hours in, like, wow, I didn't know this was really possible. And well, it's not like the time. This is all the ways of the internet. Well, where are you looking, Rebecca, actually, for that link? You can do the good old plain search on the internet, Mali We Ready, or on this website. It should be on Mali We Ready page, the link in the top. So let me know what's the performance for a term Mali We Ready when the search engine, Google, whatever, detects that you are in North America, let's say, because search results are also catered depending on from the location detected, like curated by the language preferences in the search engine, your rollover history, and so on. What I'm getting is when I search for Mali We Ready just in a good old search engine, I get first probably the YouTube channel. And that's why I also created the Mali We Ready page, where there are the links, and I showcase it right here. So on this page, right here in lower, here's the list of links. Yay, yay. Yeah, no links in the chats at the moment. What link do you want to show me? You can paste it, but don't hit enter. Just put spaces where the dots go, so it cannot figure out it's a link. And I'll reparse it manually too. And what are you pointing to with that link? What the resource? What's the URL? I think if you delete the HTTP part of the URL and column // it will stop well, it's anyway, it's in the profile on the Kick, right? Small icon, Twitter Kick. It is this one, just maybe for confirmation. It will open now. It's this dude. Notifications. Hey, Rebecca, subscribing over there. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's the one, yeah, the right one. Yeah, you found it, Google, you know, Google knows me. I've been around. So here's what I'll do in these few. There are 4 posts with these episodes specific. And I'll make it, I'll do the harder way, the fancy way for each post. This is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. I'll do this post, edit post. I'll do the edit post, so, and I will edit this page. And in this page, I will chop off, I will copy this actually, I will copy this block and go in here and maybe do even something like this for now, just the plain old copy paste Ruski here, right? Just like that, yeah, bam. But I will replace this image I will replace this image with image replace media library, and I take the existing feature image inside and delete button Twitch and delete button Kiko, like that, and remove the X button, like that. Off you go. And I can even embed the video in the page. And I'll do that. Who'll stop me? Who'll stop me? Show yourself. I can delete this. And then for each dedicated platform, like YouTube, Bolt, and Odyssey. Actually, I'm not going into Studio, but let's see what will happen with the internet. Will internet say kaput? No, it won't. So for my channel page, and for what's going on here? Oh yeah, I'm live. I'm live. Cool. Great to know I'm live. Of course I'm live. I'm alive. Like that. I'm not watching that now. Wow, 14 notifications on good old Bolt. And I'm number one on the home page, or on that Bolto thing. I guess I'm working well on the I'm not looking for the channel. Go to channel page, but not the new tab. I'm looking for this, and in the content tab from this, it was the desktop, and I know exactly what show is that. Come on. Intel i3, this is, I'm working on Intel i3. So from videos, I grab it by the jugular, and since I'm already here, I might also is this the one? Yeah, I might also use this. I might grab this. Well, first get the share link. Okay, thank you. And open details, because I'll grab the JPEG. They create snapshots of the stream as JPEG. That's 2 thumbs up, Bolt, for creating JPEGs, not PNGs. I guess they save that way. I don't know, millions of gigabytes, not saving PNGs online. So that means that here on desktop I do on Bolt, I need to change the link, edit the link. Yes, this is the one. Yep, save. That's done. Cool. Now next thing is get this. This is already the best thumbnail that I've considered. I'll just open it in a new tab, and this I can close. Do I close it? No, I'll need it for next show. Can I just get these? Yeah, can I get these? What's the reaction from the? What would be the reaction from? Whoop. What's going on here? Back over here and here. Just drag and drop into my folder, and it's saved, and I hit F2. Hit F2 to say, and I say, not over there, but over here, I say, demo Ubuntu Studio 2204. So this is actually a more advanced topic, like so in the show notes, maybe in the show notes, let's say, maybe in the show notes I say wow, I say using to edit all posts and include videos to thumbnails, preview video, preview. Include video and link to vids. BOD in a post. And embed yep, there's that embed also, not playing around here. Embed, that's the stuff. Embed over there, embed, yeah, so embed, so embed, and that in on the no, they say that's even 2 videos. How about that 2 videos? Why did it broke? Why did it broke into? I got disconnected for a moment, I guess. 3 hours in, about 4 hours, 1 hour left. 1 hour left to complete this mission. So well, I just, since this is a warm-up, I can just say, okay, here you go, here's what's going on, and I just hit on it, that. What do I need from here? Nothing at the moment, but what I'll need is past. Okay. Are those? Why not videos? Why live is not video? That's like I'm live then. What? That's also video. Come on. Okay, live. There you go. Live, past lives. I've lived many lives. All my lives are here on YouTube under the live. Many reincarnations over there. Come on. What are these 2-3 shows without a title? I renting. Just talkie. Switch to the workbench. Like this. And that is the I'm getting desktop. Okay, so link to this, link share, yes, thank you, share, copy, just like that, copy. This would be the reaction in the, this is how WordPress usually reacts to the YouTube links here. I just paste what I got from clipboard. This is what happens. Automatically embeds. There you go. But I'm not promoting YouTube. I'm promoting Odyssey. And I'm used to workflow like that. it's not a big deal for me. And where do I put that? Maybe I move this on top or below. Where do I put that video? So I'll grab the YouTube link, and this is a channel link, this is the episode. Cool. Save. And I need a link to Odyssey. Share. What's the link format? A link to download, not download link, and I'll use the embed code. Cool. So over here I can close this. Over here I replace the link, copy paste like that, save, thank you. And for the embed I copy this link, this code, and right after this, or do I put it on bottom? Yeah, maybe I put it on the bottom. Why not? Have a look. Have a look. Right below. Yeah, right below. Just it's the custom code of customs, and it needs to be wrapped in a group like that. And then I check the preview, make sure it's in line with the rest. That's pure gold, perfection, right there, right here, right there. Huh? See? You know? See? Is this it? Is this it? Do I need to double check this? Yes, no, no. So here's the idea. Okay, so post on the website. Oh, that's the image. Is this, was that obvious? I'll fix that right now. Actually, this image. Oh, desktop. Show notes. Links. Oh, here's the video. So kind of works. It's not like I'm pushing you. Here. Watch the video. No, first. Find what's in overview of apps and Ubuntu, cool, OBS 3, Snap, okay, demo, use case, okay, multimedia, so links, and video, cool, right? Just pure gold. Maybe swap around links and video itself. Maybe swap those two. And what's the best thing is everything. When the visitor on the website opens the page, the content below is not yet loaded. So the video gets loaded, this embed, only when it scrolls in the view. It's lazy loading, let's say. Lazy loading. Saving the bandwidth. I'll fetch it when we get there. So and then this, then that, so that's done. Okay, I was saying about this post, what I was saying, change, replace, post, featurette image, replace, upload, and it's the demo, it's this one, the proper one. True one. Alt case. No, I'm not gonna deal with this at the moment. Snapstone, cool. And in this thing I'll replace with the image. I'll replace the image. Replace the image with this one. Yes. And now I can update, and we'll get what we signed up for, and I close it. That's updated. True. Run again. Update again. That's good, that's good. That means that Open Workshop show notes is updated, and if a link is clicked, like in a new private window for proper representation, here it is, like this. And how would I say if I need, let's say I need to fix this, like, and on this type of WordPress with block themes, it's possible to create out specialized template that can hold all this formatting in place. So I can say in the cover, the group is buttons are grouped, and I just add tiny bit of heading here. Video links to video links. Okay, say whatever you want. Say whatever you want. It's heading 3. Even center, put it even in the center, like this, like that, like this. And update. And now I can copy this structure, ready-made structure, I can copy into next. Copy this block. Copy this block, or even both of these blocks. Copy. Expand, please give me the copy blocks. Yes, thank you. And in Open Workshops, I go to the previous post. This is a good moment to fix all this. Do this way because this is good to do right now, because because you know, expand storage. What's the image here? What's the post? I will replace this also. This is good to do right now because there aren't too many. It's not a big chore, and it's established process, so it's easy to replicate on each other for each next show. So this one is the hardware, so it's this one. That was this one. And I hit share, give me the link, show embed code, expanding, Odyssey, update link, edit link, paste, save, and on the bottom I grab, copy this, and just paste it over here, hit preview. Is that the video? Yes. Yup-a-dup-a-doo. And this is like times 10, times 100 for a small channel like mine, for pushing the discoverability, like building the graph. For this, what I'm looking, so this, okay, that was Desktop Curious, and for this one, share, copy, YouTube, Control A, paste, save, and also bolt. What was that one? Linux desktop curious, like that. Share, edit post, bolt, edit, Control A, paste, save it. Is that saved? Control A, paste, save. View update, run the update, come on. I'll run the Swaparuski on the view post in the private window. Let's check what just happened here. I'm a bit sus. So Odyssey link, bolt I can't inspect here, but I can inspect this one. Before you continue to YouTube, put on your raincoat and your prey beads in your backpack, or your prey guide. So if I copy link, okay, we'll copy link and just give it to me here where I'm logged in. Will this open that video? Let's see, is that video? I was a little bit sus. See what video I'm looking at. Come on, tell me. Oh look, it's Linux desktop curious. So, but since I'm logged in, I'm running live, you can't preview the video when you are logged in. You can't. I'm watching my own. There's another thing I can do. I can play this trickery. This in private. Go on bolt. Give me that login. Come on, give it to me. Login with email. Yes, with email. You know me. Okay, thank you. And it's not redirecting me to the video, but if I get the link, so now I'm logged in and I close it. The browser should stay logged in even in private, and now I try as another channel profile. What do I get? Do I always get Malivir live, or I can get the, even when he's live, can I get the, yep, that's the thing, that I'm watching the rewind, I'm not watching the live. Yep. So this is the Ubuntu Studio. All good. Look at this nice video quality. I'm so handsome. Might never shave or trim. Okay. What did I just do? So this is for, no, wait. Wrong video. You're showing me the wrong video. That's the thing. So bolt, it's showing me the old link. Wait, why you show me old link? This is a Linux desktop. Not looking. I'm in the expanding. So I've said, or did I copy the wrong link? So here, edit, Control A, paste over it, save. So it was the same link. Oh, that's why I didn't even bother enabling the save, because it's the same. I'm not saving that. Gotcha. I've got you now. So sometimes I just go through my whole site, check my links on my own manually. So checking everything. So this should be this. This should be this video, expanding Pop OS and partitioning and hard drive. So come on, load that fancy thumbnail. What do you say? Expanding, but it's the right video. Yeah. Bold. Yep. Come on. Video is. Did I press update? Press update and do this again. And on YouTube is okay. Yeah, that's the right one. So here I've said there update. Reload this. Now give me the video. Yep. Is this true statement? Yep. As a matter of fact, it is doctor in action. Very cool. So if I disable tracking protection, very nice, very nice. Just getting better. And I want to replace this image with even better one. So this post has not this image. I want it to show the partitioning. So for the post, replace upload partitioning, this thing right here. Yeah, that one. And also in the cover image, replace media library. Wait, even better. Use feature image, even better. This thing just amazes me. And like I said previously, I copied these two blocks into the next copy blocks. Okay, I have an option to duplicate the post. Well, even better than the better. Duplicate. Did I run the update? Come on, did I run the update? Did I say update? Yes, updated. Oh my. Duplicate, cool, no problem. I'm all for it. Show notes, new post. I don't need a new post. I can just now use this. The duplicate function is from the plugin. It's not by default. the WordPress is a bit challenged by default with that feature and that aspect. So I've deleted that and I'm saving the draft, and what was happening, I had an episode of running just that demonstration. Is that important? That just goes like a like music content. That's not open workshops. But I'll leave it like a demo, so it's a demo. And this is what I'll do. Copy, post, duplicate, paste. Demo, tech demo, yeah, tech demo, high voltage seed collection. On seed amp, yep. And the fact is this. Copy, and I need to elaborate this statement because that's a topic on its own. The seed amp Commodore 64 playing, that's a topic on its own. So I've speed up my workflow, because I just need to grab and pull and push around these images, making my life easier. Only thing is that I don't have like this image is PNG, so this image is alone 2 megabytes, while these JPEGs are 300 kilobytes. And since I'm using PowerToys for Windows, if I click the PNG image and it opens here, so it's not even not big resolution image, 722 1.6 megabytes. But with PowerToys for Windows, I have right away here resize image option, and I just say, hey, let's save us megabyte and a half. Yeah, 129 kilobytes JPEG. Come on, hey. What I might have also done is what I might do was grab the one that I used on the. Well, I do that. Yeah, I'll cancel it. For the sake of demonstration, consistency, like for all the previous ones, I'll use the one I have from on Bolt, since they themselves have the thumbnails for that. What thumbnail did I use over there? That is the show. Where is that show? When was that show? It's this one. It is this one, and I don't have it here. I didn't grab it in my local library. In my local library it doesn't exist. No, I think no. So I just say here share the link and edit details. What would be better? Which link is which is better now? This one or this one? I'll go with this one because it's a kind of mix demo and that, and I grab it and say, and I'll say hit, where is it? F2 demo high voltage SID collection. There, I've said it. And I can close this. I already have a link. I just need to upload that. Thank you. Over here, edit, Control all, select all, paste over, save. Very nice, very nice. And since this cover image has an option, use feature image, since I've pasted the same structure from the previous post, it automatically picked up the image from the featured for the post. I don't even need to do that now. They're front running ahead of me, helping me speed up my production. So is this is the expanding bar. So from this, so I need to copy this. This is still okay. This is still here. I need to go to the over there for YouTube. What is this? What was this? Okay, here I can even edit this in YouTube. I can put a fancy thumbnail right here. Copy. So this is working manually to set up, figure out the workflow, and keep going like this, cataloging my own stuff on the website. So is this the link? Did I grab the link? Yeah. Save. And for the save, for that show high voltage, that was this one. Hit share. Sharing is caring. Update this link. Control, select all, paste over, save, and lastly copy the embed code into here, paste, Control Alt, paste, and I don't even need to, almost don't need to go through these details because it's not a how-to. Open source donation gallery promo. I can select, let's say that it is a promo like that, and it's Linux, it's not partitioning, live streaming, yes, Pop OS, no, upgrade's not an upgrade, it's a demo, high voltage SID collection, and it is Commodore 64, Commodore 64, and it's a chip tunes like that. something along those lines. That's it, that's the thing. And it's not this, because it's the audio visualization demo. Paste. Winamp. Winamp on WinXP playing Commodore 64 sits just like that. I think this is ready. Publish. I will so that's published. What I want to do is duplicate, and on this page I can double check these. Oh, I was thinking to replace this with the partitioning image. Oh, this is the, okay, this is showcasing the Ubuntu. Okay, cool. And here I can jump into the open workshops and check that there is a link for this one. So I'm going backwards. I need to go backwards. I need to fix also these two. And hit here, click. Got that nice and huge video. Each link I click, I hope I get this one. Bolt. Am I still logged in? And YouTube. Did I make it? Did I properly paste it? And I hit here. Wait, where is the? That's the one. Post like, why? What? I'm not following myself. Come on, follow. Followed. Yeah. Posts of Marvel, and of course how much? A lot. Yeah, wow. Customizing. Wow. Okie dokie, close that. Make sure YouTube. Okay, I need to fix this. So actually on YouTube there is an old image showing here. Is there a link to edit this? Can I edit this? Edit, download, share. New tab. New tab. Do I have an edit? Do I have edit link? Yeah, edit here. Okay, well, edit. I go into edit and just replace that nail of thumb. Video preview. I just drop it, drag it, enter here. They have also fancy ones by default, but I'll use intentionally this one. And while at it, like this, a lot of playlists I have, and not UK, it's English. Thank you. and entertainment. Yeah, it's entertaining. Got a few laughs here and there. Well, I just might continue actually, not the channel, but keep working with this video. What's going on? Okay, so this is the highlight that appeared now in the videos. This is the highlight that I clicked at the beginning of this stream. Like I said, let's test the video highlight. And it's exported like a standalone video. So that's what video highlight does. It's like clipping, a live clipping. Since the clipping, video clipping on the YouTube front end, when I clip the video, it just marks the time segment on the video timeline. It doesn't create a separate file. So they use it, they do their thing in a very optimized way, approach, economically optimal. Let's not create the actual file if it's just a time segment from timeline, and they're already standardized that like a chaptering, timestamping, and but highlighting this creates a video. And so for next file, what's in the next on the schedule? Next in the schedule is I go back here on my channel. This is done, and the open workshops. Or even better, in the sitemap, I will grab the stuff that is in the from the category open workshops, now 5, and go from this one. So making of. That is, do I need to do that, redo that? I just need that structure, edit post live show. Post live show, okay, so that is that. That was a workshop. Now I'm making actually my website working for me, getting indexed as a open workshops, the search engines, and I'm building a graph, I'm connecting, creating a reference to my videos and even the very old shows now. Before this structure, before even I created this structure, and I'm now bringing it into that domain, into that category. Because I don't just have time to create scripts for the show, but I have it all in my head, so I do everything live every time. It's good to have notes. Someone could say, oh, why don't you just edit the video description? Why don't you edit in the video's description what you're saying on the posts? Well, I don't have freedom. If I edit working on each platform with descriptions of the video, it's not friendly to my workflow. And to go into each video, it's a bit slow process. This way there's there's reference to the website, and I can always elaborate in one place, central place, those subjects, topics. So if somebody finds the video over there, can get the most updated content about notes about that video on the website, and I don't need to do that over and over for each platform. Anyway, often in the video descriptions there is just the template for all the referral links and so on, profiles, and maybe just a few notes about the short content, especially for the live streaming. That's like always a bit more challenging to maintain live show notes, because during live there cannot cannot predict screenplay for what's going on live show. That's the deal. So I was jumping back to the all the way back to open workshops. I've said I'll work with the, oh yeah, so this making of, that's what I was reading in the from the sitemap. Yeah, I'll use my sitemap to grab the content. So open workshops 5. Since I will be just repeating this over and over, I can actually close the stream, because it's just a waste of time. But here it is, somewhat set up, defined workflow, putting the reference on the website to the, with including videos, thumbnails, putting an effort there to make everything seamless. Thank you all for stopping by. Rebecca on Kick and Bolt, Justin, good night, and also May stopping by. Had a great time all together. Very productive show. So maybe for the end, side-by-side comparison at the end, like I promise always. Here are the show notes, and here is the tiny preview of the, so if I stretch this up, cut myself away a little bit like this, because I'm not of big importance here, maybe like this, one notch down, a bit more, stretch like this up to here, and side by side, what would I demonstrate for the end? It's having show notes. Is there a scroller monoline over there? Yeah, and it's a bit too far down. One, 2, 3, 4, like this. Cool. Lock in the scene, the source, and side by side comparison. Well, here is the list, here is the section. I've created this section in the open workshops category, and the page I created a section that is listing the posts with notes for each show, and each of the episodes video and the posts have, now if you've jumped at the end to see the result at the end, Here you are seeing actually the result is for each show note post, dedicated post, it has a video thumbnail in the feature image for the post, title, a note from the show, short note, and video to each video on these three platforms that hold video on demand for indefinitely. And on the bottom also embed of the exact video episode from Odyssey. Show notes rolling out, and I can also maybe squeeze this, make it show that it is a responsive layout for mobiles. This is in private, I'm not logged in, and here's the content. Notes, video links, and the video itself. Thank you all for watching. Have a pleasant rest of the time of day or night where you are. Bye. Had a great time.